Yesterday I asked you to remain short on gold and silver. I hope you all profited, both seen a good drop. Now what is going to happen today? Which position we should take? What should be the target and what could be the support levels? Everything I am going to tell you with the help of candlestick charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon and stay tuned with the latest analysis. The next update on gold will be released just before the US cash session. Also, those who are interested into other commodities and indices including oil, natural gas, Dow Jones, Nasdaq, FTSE 100 Germany or India index, that is Nifty as well. So all the analysis are getting released now. You can watch them also and definitely that will help you in your day trading decisions. Let's start the day with gold first. Gold right now trading at 1851 levels. First we'll see gold and followed with the silver. So do listen to it carefully. Do watch till the end. Now this is the hourly charts for gold here and you can clearly see here is the resistance at 1855 which it is failing to go past by. Similarly what it has tried to do yesterday, I told you at this point that it is going to drop from here and 1840 levels have been achieved. Now look at this again, similar formation, a minor retracement in similar formation. 1855 is the resistance, only position to go long is above 1855, else it will again try to come back towards first target 1847 which may provide a support there, and then it will try to drop back till towards 1840 levels again, which are going to be again a stronger support. Now this is just on the hourly chart. See, directional movement is bearish here and stochastic is also trying to come back towards oversold levels. MACD is trading in green, however willing to converge and crossover for a sell. RSI is also looking downwards, indicating little bearishness here. Similarly with the 2-hour charts, if you look at the 2-hour charts, similarly it appears that it is going to give you sharper red candle. Probably it may try to come back till towards is going to be some support here at 1847, 1845 zone. This zone is going to be important and once it breaks past this, one can expect 1840 and below levels. So now look at this, how beautifully it is trying to create a channel out there. And the lows, this is an expanding triangle. One thing one must note that this is an expanding triangle and hence there could be a sharper move which will try to take it towards 1836 levels. That is also possible. Any move above 1855 will negate all the short positions. You have to go long above 1855 levels, remember that. Directional movement is bearish here, it is widening. Stochastic is near to overbought, trying to drop from here. MACD is trying to converge for a buy, but let's see how it behaves because it is again starting to diverge. Till here it was converging, now it is again looking forward to diverge, so indicating little more bearishness. And RSI is sloping down here, indicating little more bearishness here. On the 3-hour charts, if you look at, similarly on the 3-hour charts, see again I am saying this is creating an expanding triangle and it means more bearishness and more fall could be seen here. Till the time it trades above 1855, one can remain short on gold. My target is going to be 1836 levels. It may try to achieve this zone and below that also it can try to drop till towards 1830, which is going to be a very strong support. So I'll be watchful of these levels. Remember 1855, above 1855 if it trades, all the shorts should be closed there. You should not remain bearish above 1855 levels. Watch that level. Now directional movement is bearish here too. Stochastic is looking upwards, indicating that there is little bullishness left here. MACD is still bearish on the 3-hour charts and RSI is also sloping downwards, indicating that it can try to drop a bit. Now look at the 4-hour charts. On the 4-hour charts you will find, see this was a drop, a reversal, failing to go past the highs here. A strong resistance at 1855 is seen. Once it breaks past 1855, then only I will recommend you to go long, else it may try to give you another drop which will try to take it towards 1840 first support and then 1836 next support. Below that it may try to drop till towards 1830 also. Directional movement is bearish here on the 4-hour charts as well. Stochastic is looking upwards. There is some bullishness left. There is a probability that if it tries to reverse, we can see a rise. However, 1855 is something we should watch out for. MACD is bearish here. It is crossed over for a sell and it is crossed over after multiple green candles on the 4-hour charts. Now it is trying to trade in red. It is divergent, indicating it may attract a little more bearishness. RSI is looking downwards. Now look at the daily charts. On the daily chart, see here it has opened flat with a flat head there. Hardly any wick it has formed, indicating that probably it may try to drop more till towards 1840, and below 1840 we can expect it to drop till towards 1836 and 1830 levels. It can give you sharper red candles. So what it is trying to do is create a symmetry here on the daily charts, and this could be a vertical red candle which will try to take it towards on the downside. Now on the downside, if you look at, see, this is still the channel in which it is trading, and hence 1824 levels should provide a very strong support. Now look at the daily charts here. See, after long, this was the reversal candle here on the gold, and it is trading in this channel, and now it has come out of this channel after a little while there, and it has been trading above this channel. On the downside, if you look at, there is a support from the 20 period moving average here at this point at around 1845-47 levels. However, I'll be still skeptical of a reversal till the time it is above below 1855 levels. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic was overbought. Now looking downwards, can see a sharper fall. Or MACD is still in green, and it is trading with a divergence, indicating that there is some bullishness left, and RSI is trading flat. So considering this, see, if you see it trading above 1855, probably then it may try to come back till here 1864 zone, where it can try to achieve lower highs. Till the time it trades below 1855, one can expect that we may see a sharper red candle. Then it may try to hit 1840 and then 1836 levels. These two levels I'll be watchful of, and then 1830 will be there. We can remain in a short position on gold till the time it trades below 1855. So now let me tell you, there is a support at 1847. However, yes, 1855 is the larger resistance, as we have seen here on the minor time frame, including 2, 3, 4 and 1 hour charts. Considering that, one can remain short on gold for below 1855. The first target is 1847, then 1840. 1836 is the next support, and then it will try to drop till towards 1830 and 1825. See, 1830 will definitely, 1830 and 36, these two levels I will be watchful of. These two levels definitely may provide a stronger support for gold for any downside move, and below that 1824. If these three are taken, then there is going to be a sharper fall in gold, which will lead it to 1780 and below levels. Now on the upside, if it breaks 1855, you can again go long there at 1856, hardly a dollar's gap, keeping a dollar's gap, and expect it to head towards 1861, 1865 and 1870 levels. It can try to head till there, it can try to achieve till there if it trades above 1855 levels, then and then only. Take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at silver. See, silver on the hourly charts is creating lower highs there. The resistance there at 2195 is going to be strong. Any move beyond 2200 is only I will recommend you to go long. Till the time it trades below 2200, one can possibly expect that it may try to drop a bit. In fact, below 2180 there could be a definite short position below 2180, where one can remain short on silver, and one can expect sharper drop on silver, where it may try to achieve 2160, 2140 levels. Now, so 2180 and 2200 is something we should be watchful of. There is a resistance at 2190 for any upside move, and hence I have given 2200 as the levels. Directional movement is bearish here. See, stochastic on the hourly charts is oversold. This I will be watchful of, as it may try to retrace back a bit on the upside before it looks forward to a drop there. MACD has crossed over for a sell, and this is the first red candle. RSI is trading flat there. Now look at the 2-hour charts here. On the 2-hour charts, there is a resistance at 2195 on the 20 period moving average. There is a support on the downside. See, it is creating this channel, and let me show you. Higher lows are consistently getting created. There is a support at 2180. So I'll recommend you to go short at 2180. If you see it trading below 2180, rather you can say 2175. So if you see it trading below 2175, one can go short for 2160 and below level. See what it is trying to do. It may give you a sharper drop today. It is trying to come out of this consolidation zone. It has seen the highs. It has seen the highs here, and now it is trying to take a shape. Any move below 2175 will take it to 2160 and 2140 levels. See, the directional movement on the 2-hour charts has crossed over and it is widely divergent, indicating more bearishness. 2-hour stochastic is overbought and looking downwards, indicating more fall. MACD is divergent, indicating bearishness. RSI is looking downwards. Similarly with the 3-hour charts, if you look at on the 3-hour charts too, it is trying to consolidate a bit, giving it higher highs, lower higher lows, lower highs. So it is trying to consolidate in this, and yes, I'll be looking forward to a breakout. And hence, if you see it trading below 2180 or 2175, here is the levels below which definitely there could be a sharper fall, which will try to take it towards 2160, 2140 levels, and in fact it can drop well below those levels. Also look at the 3-hour directional movement is bearish. The stochastic is looking downwards, indicating bearishness. The MACD is also divergent, indicating bearishness, and the RSI is also looking downwards. Similarly on the 4-hour charts, too, it is trying to come back. Now I will be watchful how it behaves at 2175. These levels are going to be important. How it behaves at 2175 is going to be important. See, coming out of this consolidation zone will lead to a stronger breakout, which will again try to bring it till towards 2140 levels. So I'll be cautious with the long position on silver. It is recommended only about 2200, that is $22. Directional movement is taking a crossover for a sell there, and our stochastic is also considering it for a crossover for a sell, and MACD is divergent, indicating bearishness, and RSI is also looking downwards here. Similarly on the daily charts, if you look at, see, on the daily charts, we have seen lower highs in the previous candle. We have seen higher lows, the 20 period moving average, exponential moving average, giving it a support here at 2175. So below 2175, definitely there could be a sharper fall, which will lead it towards 2160, and then below 2160 it will try to come back till towards 2140 level. So I'll be cautious, and any long entry is only about 2200. That is clear, very much clear there. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic is near to overbought levels. It is sloping down there. MACD is wide divergent and it is trying to converge on the daily chart. So probably another red candle can be seen here, and RSI is now again looking downwards. Considering this, one can remain short on silver below 2175. Below that, the next target is going to be towards 2160, rather I will say 2155, and then below that it may try to hit 2140, and below that sky is the limit. It can give you a sharper fall if it continues to trade in below 2160 and 40 levels. On the upside, if it breaks 2200, I'll still expect it to get some resistance at 2210 and 2220. These two levels, I have told you multiple times, should provide a stronger resistance for silver for any upward move, and hence I'll be watchful of that. I'll be cautious with the longs today again till the time it is below 2200, and above 2200 we may see a rise again. So I have to be cautious at these levels. Do not keep your shorts above 2200 for sure, and do not keep your longs below 2175 for sure. Take your positions accordingly. Do not overtrade. Do not forget to shift your stop loss to cost. And yes, that is how you can preserve your capital. Keep re-entering whenever you see it going in your direction at same levels. So this is how you can preserve your capital and you can profit. Also, do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to join my Telegram channel. Also, you can be part of my VIP Signals group and my mentorship batch. The next batch is starting on 6th of June. This is the 11th batch, and definitely the strategies taught will help you become a professional and a proficient trader. Reach out to me for more details on both training and trading. My email ID and Telegram IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day. Thank you.